Nearly every time I talk with a manufacturer about the problems they're facing, finding and retaining employees comes up. Even when manufacturers can find workers, they often have less experience than they'd like, making training even more difficult and essential. A crucial part of this puzzle is the effective use of standard operating procedures. But if you walk on most plant floors, SOPs lack clarity, or worse, are in dust-covered 3-ring binders that haven't left the lead operator's office in a decade. Or maybe they're on the shop floor, but workers can't understand them because they're not in that worker's native language. In the best scenarios, poor instructions lead to a slower process and increased scrap. In the worst cases, they can compromise worker safety, resulting in injuries for workers and liability for companies. With so much on the line, it's time to rethink SOPs. The first step to improving SOPs is digitizing them. Whether on a tablet or a monitor, you need to make sure that each step is easy to see, and instructions are up to date and in your worker's first language. With Factory Eye's cloud-based MES capabilities, we can roll out new digital SOPs across all your tablets and workstations simultaneously. Look, we won't claim that we're the only ones that can do that, but we'll state unequivocally that we can do it faster, cleaner, and more effectively than any other provider in the industry. If you're ready to take your SOPs from dust to digitized, you should call me.
If you're ready to turn your data into actionable data, you better call Tom.